this is your most reliable weapon against bollworm complex in your cotton crops. With Danitol being a shield against bollworm complex like American, spotted and pink bollworm, your cotton crop is assured of a high quality and quantity cotton yield. The larvae of the bollworms attack cotton bolls while they are maturing. Hence, it is very important to apply Danitol at this stage to protect cotton bolls. Speaking of the bollworm complex, the damage caused by the worms differs from one another. In the case of the pink bollworms, the larvae enters the cotton bolls at such an early stage that the entry hole is healed, and we never know if the crop has been infested until the later stages. Inside the cotton bolls, the larvae feed both on the seeds and fiber-forming tissues, resulting in the loss of yield and oil content. Further, the balls don't open, resulting in poor quality cotton lint. And when it comes to American bollworms, they damage the cotton bolls and squares. The larvae chew into the base of the cotton bolls and hollow out the locks. A moist waste around the base of the boll is accumulated, which is a major symptom of American bollworm larvae attack. In the case of the spotted bollworm, the larvae start feeding during the vegetative stage. The affected plants exhibit symptoms including withering, drooping, and drying of shoots. Later, the caterpillars feed inside the buds, flowers, and fruits, causing premature opening and shedding of squares and young cotton bolls, leading to yield loss. But such losses due to the bollworm complex can be stopped with the help of Danitol. Danitol has the active ingredient fenpropathrine. It is a contact and stomach poison that interferes with the insect's nerve pulse transmission and affects digestion, enabling quick knockdown for faster elimination of the bollworm complex. Let's look into the dosage of Danitol. Ideally, use 500 ml per acre through foliar applications on days 45 and 60 respectively. Sometimes, based on how bad the infestation, Danitol can be applied more than twice. Now that you know all the benefits of Danitol, why wait? Grab your Danitol at a special price only on BigHaat.